going to learn how to make a question, and we'll see how easy it is. Making a question is very important for making dialogues. So let's begin our video. Let's go. So, how to make a question? We've got 6 steps to make a question. Number 1, the question word. Number 2, auxiliary. Number 3, subject. Number 4, verb. Number 5, the complement. And finally, number 6, the question mark. يبقى number 1, question word. أدوات الاستفهام. لازم نعرف أدوات الاستفهام، نحفظهم ونعرف استخداماتهم عشان نعرف نستخدمهم في السؤال. For example, what, where, when, why, who, which, whose, whom. تسأل عن المفعول العاقل بس ما عادتش تستخدم كتير الأيام دي. و how and how old, how often, how many, how much and how long. عندنا بعد كده auxiliary أو helping verb اللي هو الفعل المساعد. For example, am, is, are, was and were. دي تصريفات ل verb to be. بعدها have, has, had, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, do, does and did. لكن إن ما لقيناش أي من الأفعال دي المساعدة في الجملة نجيبه بقى فعل مساعد من عندنا. do إن كان الverb مضارع، does لو كان مضارع مضاف له اس، و did لو كان ماضي. ننتقل بعد كده للنمبر 3 subject. subject ممكن يكون noun or pronoun. noun ممكن يكون for example أحمد، منى، the dog, the school, the boy, the girl. أو ممكن يكون pronoun such as I, he, she, it, we, you, they. ننتقل بعد كده للverb. الverb such as drink, eat, watch, play, walk. بعد كده number 5 the complement. بعد كده number 6 عشان punctuation هنحط question mark. So let's take a little note. السؤال اللي بيبدأ بالquestion word بيكون information question، يعني عايزك تجاوب بمعلومة جديدة. إنما لو بدأ على طول بالauxiliary هيبقى yes or no question، يعني عايزك تجاوب بنعم أو لا. So let's practice on what we have learned. For example, عندنا أول مثال. ده سؤال yes or no question. Yes, he lives in Cairo. هنبدأ بقى بالauxiliary. هل عندنا auxiliary في الجملة دي؟ لا. طيب نشوف الverb. الverb ماله مضارع مضاف له s، يبقى هنجيبه does. هتبقى does he live. شلنا الاس من live عشان جبنا الاس في does he live in Cairo. Then we put the question mark. يبقى الإجابة هتكون yes he does or no he doesn't. Next we have yes, he is a good student. So, this is a yes or no question. هنبدأ بالauxiliary، لكن هنعمله inversion. موضوع الانفرجن هنشرحه بعدين في فيديوهات جاية، لكن الانفرجن بنستعمله كتير في making a question. So بدل ما هي he is هنخليها is he ونكمل الجملة is he a good student. وما ننساش طبعا question mark. هنجاوبها ب yes he is or no he isn't. المثال التاني بيقول yes they are eating. يبقى هنبدأ بالauxiliary ونعمله inversion، يبقى are they eating. And don't forget the question mark. So the answer is gonna be yes they are or no they aren't. ننتقل للمثال اللي بعده. Yes, she can swim. ده سؤال yes or no question. عندها الauxiliary can. هنعمله inversion هتبقى can she. هتبقى can she swim? Then we'll put a question mark and the answer is gonna be yes she can or no she can't. The next example is he will visit London. عايزين يكون ده yes or no question. عندنا الauxiliary will. هنعمله inversion هتبقى will he visit London ومنساش question mark. الإجابة هتكون yes he will or no he won't. Next we have she didn't come late. عايزين نخليها yes or no question. عندنا auxiliary did. هنعمله inversion did she come late ونحط question mark. الإجابة هتكون yes she did or no she didn't. The next example is yes he lives in Cairo. عايزين نعمله yes or no question. هنبدأ بالauxiliary ما عندناش auxiliary فهنحط does مكان lives. Does he live in Cairo والquestion mark. لكن المرة دي عايزين نبدأه بquestion word نخليه information question. فمثلا نسأله مثلا where. ولاحظوا احنا خلينا does small عشان نراعي ال punctuation. Where does he live؟ ونشيل كايرو لأن هي أصلا الإجابة. Where does he live؟ He lives in Cairo. The next example is yes they are eating. عندنا ال helping verb أو ال auxiliary are هنعمله inversion تبقى are they eating. لكن عايزين نخليه information question. مثلا نسأله what are they مثلا doing. الإجابة هتكون they are eating. المثال التاني yes she can swim well. هنعمله yes or no question اللي هو نبدأ بالauxiliary ونعمله inversion can she swim well. لكن عايزين نعمله information question هنحط question word مثلا نقول how can she swim. خلينا c small في can. how can she swim نشيله well لأن دي الإجابة. how can she swim she can swim well. The next example is he will visit London next week. هنعمله inversion will he visit London next week. دي بقى yes or no question. عايزين نخليه information question. For example هنحط ال question word when will he visit London. الإجابة هتكون next week. When will he visit London? He will visit London next week. The next example is Ali came late. عايزين نعمله information question. هنسأله مثلا who came late. who بتسأل عن الفاعل. who came late Ali came late. The next example is I have got 2 brothers. عايزين نعمله yes or no question. عندنا الauxiliary have you got 2 brothers وحولنا ال I ل you في السؤال have you got 2 brothers. مثلا عايزين نعمل information question. مثلا هنسأله how many brothers have you got. الإجابة هتكون I've got 2 brothers. The next example is I want to eat because I'm hungry. عندنا مثلا في جملة I want to eat ما عندناش auxiliary هنا فهنجيبه do لأن eat هنا مضارع. Why do you want to eat. I بتتحول ل you. Why do you want to eat? Because I'm hungry. The next example is it is 5 pounds. عايزين نعملها سؤال. مثلا نقول how much is it. نعمله inversion. is it تبقى is والإجابة هي 5 pounds. How much is it? 5 pounds. It costs 5 pounds. طبعا ما عندناش هنا auxiliary فهنحط does لأن costs فيها s. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? It costs 5 pounds. The next example is Ahmed is 1.7 meters tall. هنسأل ب how tall. How tall is Ahmed? Ahmed is 1.7 meters tall. Well, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.